Look at this. So this is how it looks. It actually looks like ground beef with black beans, but it's not.
I want my room to be clean before I add anything to it. So I'm just gonna kind of...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. In today's video, we're just going to be doing a little meal prep. If you are interested in that, keep watching. Again, I just want to point out, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I literally saw this like inspo off of Pinterest, and I'm going to try to do my own meal prep. I'm not a professional. I'm not a dietitian. This is what I'm doing. No, it may not be the healthiest, but who cares? If you're interested, keep watching and comment below if you have any tips, any tricks, any weight loss recommendations. I'm not trying to cut a lot of calories and then be hungry. Like, that's only gonna set me up for failure. So let's get into the video. Starting off here, we just have the Morning Star value pack of Chipotle black bean crumbles. Now, I actually love this brand of I guess like vegan alternatives, meat alternatives. I also right here have black bean spicy burger, in which we're gonna make today. But right here, we're just going to be putting together this little kind of like a taco bowl. And I have the seasoning, I have my meat, I have my cheese, I have my avocados. I use coconut oil, or I use extra virgin olive oil, but today we're gonna use the rest of this coconut oil. We're gonna cut up these bell peppers and like jalapeno peppers. We got a lime in here. Then right here, we just have our corn and black beans. And then we're just gonna chef this up, so I'll let y'all see. So right now, we're just going to take this and I'm gonna dump like the whole bag into the skillet and let it warm up. I just want to say that because the black bean crumbles don't actually have meat in it, I'm gonna need to put some oil into the skillet and I'm gonna just get into it. Look at this. So this is how it looks. It actually looks like ground beef with black beans, but it's not. It's just veggie crumbles. I don't know what the heck they put in this. Like, it literally looks like ground beef. I'm gonna have to read the back of it. This is my first time getting this, so let me put y'all down and get back to cooking. So this is our black bean veggie crumbles. As you can see, it kind of does like look like there is meat in it, and it's like super moisture. I don't even know if that's like I don't know how to explain it, but it's not dry. It literally just, it looks like ground beef. Like, I'm about to smell it. Hold on. I don't know how it smells just yet, but I'm gonna let this cook, and I might actually just go ahead and not put this on for it. I might just go ahead and put this on too, so I can keep it kind of warm while I'm cooking everything. I bet y'all didn't know this, but I'm gonna teach y'all, if you don't know, how to properly take off your can tops. I just now am learning this, and it seems so simple, but look, you're supposed to do it like this. Not like this, not like from the side, but from the top. It's a difference. It's easier too. So I just do mine like this now, and it's so much easier. You don't have to fight against it, like, and it comes right off. So now we're just gonna use this like skillet pan situation. I got this on like 3 or something. I'm gonna take all these bell peppers. And just gonna put them in here. I don't even think I have enough oil to do everything. Like, I still have to like put stuff in the oven, and I don't know if I have enough oil, so we'll see. We'll try to make it stretch, you know. Something's gonna be burned. That was so lame. So we got this container. I'm just gonna use this to put in the oven. Let me get the sweet potatoes. So these are the sweet potatoes. I already cut them up because first of all, they take forever to do. So I got me a chair, got me a YouTube video, and I did these like off camera. We're gonna get the coconut oil. We're just gonna get this coconut oil, put this in here. Now I'm not trying to use all of it because I kind of have a heavy hand with oil. So I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna like use my hand to move, like, you know, to smear it around. Y'all know I don't know all these terms. I'm just trying to cook. Okay. So here we got our freaking veggie meat is cooking just like regular meat would cook, but it's, I don't know, it's not like getting too dry or anything. I just been stirring it around and I haven't tasted it yet because I just don't want it to taste bad. Like, I'm gonna be so pissed if it doesn't taste good. So what I'm gonna do right now is pour a little bit of this seasoning in it because, you know, regular ground beef, you can smell it. I don't smell nothing. So I'm gonna pour a little bit more of this. Come on, I need you to start though. I need the aroma to fill my apartments. I don't smell nothing. I'm gonna stir this up. The oven is done preheating and I got my sweet potatoes in there. Come on now. It's hard to do this with one hand now. So I'm gonna taste the doggone veggie meat. I'm gonna like get a little. I'm only cooking for myself, so it's okay if I reach in here. Okay. It tastes like, not rubbery, but it do taste kind of, it's a weird texture, a kind of mushy texture. But with all the bell peppers, avocado, with everything in it, it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. Okay. I just wanted to come back on here like, soon as like after I just tasted that, I like did like wipe my nose and the spiciness of the meat or something got into my like nostril, and now this nostril right here is just like tripping. It's tripping, and I don't know, I kind of want to just lay down because it's in my nose, like that spiciness, and I'm gonna ruin my makeup and I'm gonna be so mad and I'm gonna have to end the video, but we're gonna keep going. But it's so irritable, like I'm irritable right now. Oh, like imagine you just got something up your nose and you, okay, I'm not, I'll come back.
I want my room to be clean before I add anything to it. So I'm just gonna kind of straighten up my room a little bit and I'll talk to you guys once we're done.
I added a little water to this and yeah, it looks more juicier. Okay, so if you have an avocado and it's hard to cut, it ain't ready, sis. I remember I first started eating avocados like, and I remember it used to be like rock hard, and I'm like, how is she just cutting it like that on the video? And it wasn't ready to be cut. But this is super easy, like it should just really just slide right in. No pun intended. I don't know, y'all. Like I said, like I'm not a professional. I don't do things the professional way, like you'll see most people do, but it works for me. You know, sometimes I got my good weeks, sometimes I have my bad weeks where my food just isn't good and I don't even like it. So it just really depends on, I guess, maybe me taking my time. I don't know. I really don't even use that much seasoning on stuff. I feel like I use the same seasoning, black pepper and cayenne pepper. That's all I've been using it. So next time I go to the store, I'm gonna have to stock up on my seasonings because that don't make no sense. I wanted to show you guys my Pinterest and where I got like this inspo from. This is me right here. If you don't follow me on Pinterest, what are you doing? Go ahead and follow me. Like, it's 4 a.m. as you can see, and I'm wide awake, not even tired. Oh, it's 4:40 a.m. It's almost 5. Wow. Okay, now let's go to this right here. These are my like boards on Pinterest. I don't know, like I'm on here a lot. I have 58,000 monthly viewers, which is kind of like a lot of people, and I like doing this. This is literally a hobby. I don't even know how to make money on this. I wish I could. Let's go to fitness boot camp, and let's go to 800 calorie meals, and this is where I got my inspo from. This whole like I got detox water recipes, meal plans. I got a little bit of everything on this fitness board. So I don't know, like if you need a little inspo, go ahead and follow. Like, oh my god, what is that? Oh, okay. Like fitness inspo. Like I get inspired off of stuff like this because that's how I want my body to look, athletic, you know, athletic. So I be like pinning a lot of stuff, but this is like stuff that I pin, but I actually have things in like categories that will help you. Like I definitely need to change the name of that, but you know, this is old, but I'm still change the name of it. Body motivation, clean eating snacks, healthy breakfast, lunch meal prep, fitness challenge. Bust this open. But bust it, what? Okay. It's not. Oh, Lord. Hey y'all, so the current time is 5:14. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. And I'm about to get on my prayer line, but I just wanted to show you guys my food. So for breakfast, we have oranges and apples. You have an apple or orange. Then for snack, eat the other one. For lunch, we have the veggie burger. I just split it in half. And then it's like the sweet potatoes under it, as you can see. Then we got the grapes on the side. Then right here, we have our like taco bowl, Mexican bowl, whatever you want to call it. We got the veggie meat, bell peppers and stuff. Then we got the avocado, corn, and black beans with a little cheese on top. Then for like a dinner snack, we have apple, and then we have our soup on the side. And this is pretty much our meal prep. So thank you guys if you made it to the end of this video. I appreciate the love and the support. I would just really be so grateful and thankful if you guys could just go with me along this fitness journey. I need all the motivation I can get. Like everybody got their way they want to look, but I'm on it. I really want to look a certain way, and I showed you guys like my Pinterest inspo board. So we're just trying to get first and foremost, we're trying to lose the stomach weight. The muffin top gotta go. We're trying to tone up. Then we're gonna be trying to like the muscles, like let the muscles come in, and that's when the meal prep is gonna change. I'm gonna be doing some things, but I want you guys to be along on the journey. So as always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Boom. Period.